In today's tutorial, we will be diffuse drying a short bob and layered haircut with straight wavy hair into amazing lived-in beach waves. I'm preparing the hair with a volumizing spray. You could also use a sea salt spray, texture spray, or a light mousse. Straight or wavy hair needs product that's drying, something that's going to activate and encourage the curl. To get the most out of your product, it's important to thoroughly saturate and work the product throughout the hair. We now set our hair dryer on a low speed and medium heat. Before starting with the diffuser, I use my fingers to help activate any movement throughout the haircut. I use my thumb and index finger to gently elevate the hair into the diffuser, directing the airflow on a 45-degree angle up towards the nape. It is important to minimize touching the hair during the drying process. Also, holding the diffuser on a 45-degree angle towards the head will help to prevent frizz. Also, holding the diffuser still and turning the airflow off before moving to your next section will help to create perfect waves. We direct our client to slide down in their chair, resting their nape on the back of the chair. This body position will allow our diffuser to press and direct air up into the root area, encouraging and activating the beach waves. This head position allows for more texture and movement into the root area, encouraging more curls. The elevation of our diffuser and our client's head position will determine how much or little body we want to create. Closer to the scalp will create tighter waves, and further away will create looser waves. Directing our client's head position from side to the side, front and back, will help to prevent body in the overall result, creating a more modern, curly shape. Once the lower side zones are dry, we position our client's head upright, directing the airflow 45 degrees down towards the scalp, helping to prevent frizz and flyaways. We continue this exact process until the hair is 100% dry. If you want maximum body, position your client's head upright and diffuse 90 degrees straight out from the head shape. If you want low or no volume, direct the airflow down until this zone is 100% dry. To set the curls, I gently run cool air throughout the whole shape. This will help the curls to last much longer. If you have clients or friends who struggle with diffusing their curls, feel free to share this tutorial with them. If you've liked what you've seen today, let me know in the comments below. We now dress the curls with a drop of serum, emulsifying the product into your hands. Using your fingertips to massage the scalp, this loosens and dresses the curls with minimal disturbance. With the remainder of serum left on your hands, we scrunch and dress the mid-lengths and ends. subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. This is my diffused, lived-in beach waves. If you liked this tutorial, you have to watch this one next.